Description: healthy scalp, rejuvenate hair. Natural extracts including Saw Palmetto combine with mineral ferments and antioxidants to help detoxify and rejuvenate the scalp and follicle. Gluten-free. Packaging may vary. Benefits: drives nutrients to the follicle, strengthen, revitalize, anti-aging, color safe, recommend for all scalp challenge. Suggested use: twice per day, apply to scalp and massage in. Awaken styling products. Awaken your scalp. Rejuvenate your hair. Awaken Science is the solution. Love your full hair. Our styling products round out your Awaken experience and give you the confidence to finish your hairstyle. Awaken can help with alopecia, stress loss, psoriasis, seasonal loss, dandruff, itchy scalp, eczema, oily scalp. Top reviews from the United States. It really works. My beautician recommended this to me to help fill in areas where my hair is thinning. I was skeptical, but I actually see new growth around my hairline and my hair feels thicker. It does have a very slight oily residue to it, or maybe it's just my scalp sweating like it ate a habanero as it does tingle, lol. So I use it at night before I go to bed. I am pleasantly surprised that it works so well.